Oh, yikes. Ah, what is that? What the hell is this? Oh my god. I'm not keen on whatever that is. Jesus. Hello, welcome to Night's Arcade. I'm Sleepless Night. We're in the Outer Worlds. Get it right, we're not in Outer Wilds anymore. Those days are behind us. Now, we were poking around the Groundbreaker because I just wanted to sort of show you, those of you who don't play this, or I just wanted to show you the Groundbreaker, which is literally it's our first stop after the place that we originally were dumped at Edgewater, and we kind of, poked around, and it surprised me. I thought we could get it all in one episode, but the reason we couldn't is because there's so much space in this thing. It's huge. Anyway, and we haven't even been up here yet, so this is where we're going to go now, and hopefully we were supposed to track down a guy the last time, so maybe we'll find him today, but the first thing we've got to do is go and talk to a guy in here and get him to release our vessel, otherwise we can't leave this place anyway, even if I wanted to. Which I do, of course, but... let's see.
This is Halcyon News.
Yo, Bedford.
Ah, yes. Wheeler messaged me you were coming. He must be the captain of the Unreliable, a vessel that used to be helmed by one Alex Hawthorne. And you are not he.
Nope.
Has something happened to my favorite scruffy freelancer?
Yeah. He's lost a bit of weight. Should I... Okay.
Oh no, this is terrible. My dear friend, what devilry is this? In whose miserable fever dream am I trapped?
Wow.
Oh, Alex. There were so many arguments we'd yet to have.
I'm getting a feeling your idea of your relationship with Alex is a bit different than his.
He was my dearest friend. My only friend.
Was he?
You have his ship, you must know. That picture of us on the promenade, me hugging him wincing. I keep a copy beside my bed. Did he?
I thought so. Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
That's just like him. Such a sentimental man. Tell me, how did he die?
Ooh, I don't know if you want to know that. He died in an escape. What is the benefit of lying here, then? Yeah, you don't want to know.
You're quite right, of course. Best not to pry into such dismal things.
Well, I just worried you might not sleep if I told you, but let's just say he lost a bit of weight and leave it at that. So.
Fine. You're free to go.
That
I've
was
removed
easy.
the impound order on your ship. But before you go, I did have one request.
Okay. What's
Alex promised to tell me the location of Phineas Wells. I'm sure you've seen his wanted posters all over the colony. Did Alex tell you where Wells might be? Anything at all?
Why do you think I'd know anything about Wells?
Well, Alex knew, or he said he did. And you have his ship. Maybe he kept some records around, or a conveniently placed note on his bedside table?
Never heard of him. Oh, there you go. That's the truth. Alex never mentioned Phineas Wells. Not to me.
That's... Well, that's just terrible news. Law, what am I going to do now? The board will have my head. Oh, I'm sorry. This is terribly unprofessional of me. Is there anything else I might help you with?
Maybe.
It's personal business, I'm afraid. Miserably, terribly personal.
Stop playing coy, Bedford.
Information on the whereabouts of Phineas Wells would go a long way. It's... well, it's my white whale, I suppose. It's fine. Really, it's perfectly fine. I understand. Now, if you've nothing else, please see yourself out. I'd like to drown myself in work.
My pleasure, Udom.
Be my guest.
Can you get me to Stellar Bay? Does it seem hot? What are those locked doors in the back?
A luxury stateroom, reserved for Chairman Rockwell's use.
Oh. Good old Chairman Rockwell.
To serve at our most esteemed chairman's behest is an honor, and one I'm most thankful for.
Oh, I see.
As this office is the primary embassy for the board on Groundbreaker, corporate bylaws specifically state a room must be maintained for the chairman's exclusive use.
Okay. Excuse me.
Ask away.
Back to my other questions. I don't have any. Whoa! Oh, man. Jesus Christ. I should really... I might want to turn that down. Maybe. It's kind of scary. Anyway, let's see what we can... Why do I keep pressing that? Can anybody tell me? Ranged weapon use. Defense. Dialogue. Stealth. Let's push the lockpick up to 30. Boosted to 35 with the stuff that I'm wearing. I think that's what's boosting it. Tech. Let's put all the other points in tech, actually. There you go. Boom.
Have you seen this man? Reward offered for information leading to the capture of noted terrorist Phineas Wells. Report any sightings to your local board embassy.
You know, when I'm done here, I reckon I should probably go and find Wells. Well, I know I don't... It's not exactly going to be hard. He told me to come see him. I know where he is. I just mean, you know, I should give him a bit of a talking to. Hello, Greasy.
Hearty greeting, potential customer. Welcome to Auntie's Kitchen, a home-style consumable protein dispensary. May
Sure.
this unit dispense proteins for your ingestion.
What? Yeah, what you got?
Beginning dispensing sequence. Please unblock all relevant facial protein ingestion tubes.
Oh, that's okay. I'm good. Thanks. Bag of tobacco in here. Yeah, see ya, Greasy. That's, I'm good. Engineering is in there. Well, I know I've got to go into engineering. Ooh. Oh, this gets just more exciting all the time. Look. Ike's Armory. Cool. See what
You
weapons
look like
he's got.
someone who's taken their share of cuts and bruises.
That's not very
Some
nice.
armor. Maybe it's a bit secondhand, but that's only testament to its durability.
Mm-hmm.
We also have a line of specialized melee weapons. For those times you have to repel boarders but don't want to risk a bullet through the hull.
Okay. What you got? Oh, yeah, melee weapons and armor. Yeah. Some groovy little armors in here, dude. Enclosed padded helmet. Padded helm. Mining helmet. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks. Spratwurst. Oh, that's their kitchen. Hello.
If you're hungry, you've come to the right place.
All right.
I've got a fresh ground batch of spratwurst cooking.
Nice. Sounds actually
They're
does sound tasty.
fried to lock in the juices. How about a grinder's dozen?
Yikes. I must be really hungry if that's sounding appealing to me. I should probably get something to eat. What is it?
You know what sprats are? Space rats.
Yes.
The laboratories of Spacer's Choice found a use for this limitless frontier resource. Sprat meat is plenty tasty when properly prepared. We grind them up in sausages, then terror fry them in their own juices.
Nice. Sounds delicious. Well, they're a lot cuter than rats. And I do prefer to eat cute things. Other than pigs. Yeah, forget that. I thought I'd hit upon a philosophy there, but no. What is terror fry? You know, I'm not
Just as
really
well.
going to spend
Near
much
about
time.
time for me to go check on the trap. I mean, to unload another crate of farm fresh sprats.
Hey.
I picked up some weird. This heat's unbearable.
I'll see what I can do about that. Oh, for God's sake. The goddamn gun always. Sublight Salvage and Shipping. Okay, let's go. Hello?
Salvage is a family business. We've got each other's backs.
Okay. As you wish. There's a slow ass elevator. Ah! Hello.
Welcome to Sublight Salvage and Shipping, a legitimate business for legitimate consumers. You the one flying the unreliable?
Yes. What's it to you?
Miss Lily has been expecting you. I'll unlock the door.
Cool. Lilia?
So you're the new captain in town. I was hoping you'd make your way to my office. Saves me the work of hunting you down.
Sorry.
Lilia Hagen, CEO and Executive Director of Aggressive Operations. I'm guessing you already know about Sublight, otherwise you wouldn't have come.
Somebody told me I wasn't really paying attention.
Charmed. It's nice to see the Unreliable again. Useful ship. Hawthorne was my contractor. I'd recognize that leaky boat of his anywhere.
Mm-hmm. I didn't kill him. I love that response.
Is Ada still at the helm? I don't know how many times I told Hawthorne to restore that smartass to factory settings. I have a salvage job for someone light on corporate ties with a reliable set of wings. But there's a catch.
Obviously.
If you have a nav key to Stellar Bay, the job's yours. Interested?
Well...
I like that initiative, but ease back on the throttle. Gladys at the Rest and Go might have what you need.
She has.
If there's anything else, be quick about it. Time is bits.
Yeah, I'm good.
These days, the scrap business all but runs itself. Gives me the time to expand our interests into other sectors, where I can let my hair down.
What kinds of other sectors does Sublight pursue other than salvage and shipping?
Our field is persuasive acquisitions.
I
At
see.
least that's how my legal advisors tell me to phrase it.
Mm-hmm.
Not all of our salvage is abandoned when we find it. Sometimes it takes a polite conversation and a shot across the bow. You know, legal formalities.
Yeah, you're pirates. I get it. Right. Wink, nod.
Your words, not mine.
Yeah. How organized is this business? Yeah. I'm good.
Be seeing
Thank you.
Make sure you aren't followed on your way out.
On my way out? Make sure I'm not followed on my way out. Okay. Nice balcony you've got here. Right, I should go to engineering. Well, I'm going to go there for anyway. So passage to anywhere. See, I've got a lot of side quests I can do now. So once we get off here, we can do that. Gladys is giving you a copy of a distress signal from Terra 2. Okay. Groundbreaker's mod. Let's have a bounty. Criminal on the run in Groundbreaker's back bays. You agreed to hunt down the unlawful Captain Gunnar McCrea to return his lighter to Commandant Sanita to claim the bounty. Last sighted in the back bays. So the passage to anywhere quest. Gladys is willing to sell me a nav key for 10,000 bits. Do a job on Terra 2. June Lee Tennyson, Groundbreaker's captain, is always willing to put available captains to work. You can also check the bounty board in the docking bay. Okay. Worst contact. Ellie thinks there's something amiss with Jesse. Now I've got to get in there. Okay. Search the collector's domicile. Find a banned heretical book. Oh, the priest, yeah. That's right. Have I botched any jobs yet? No, not yet. Okay, well, let's go. Let's go to engineering. Put the gun away. Who are you trying to impress? For God's sake. Engineering. This away.
This is Halcyon News. We interrupt your regularly scheduled advertisement for the following...
Edna Ingmeyer.
Good law, the heat in here is so unbearable I can hardly even concentrate. Junlei better hurry up with those damn repairs already.
Alright.
When you were hungry, who gave you a needle?
Hey, Junlei.
Junlei Tennyson. I'm captain around here, but chief to my friends. Hope you don't mind the formal introduction. Groundbreaker doesn't see many visitors.
Nice place you got here, Chief.
No, it isn't. It's a mess.
Oh.
But it's my mess, so I'll take the compliment.
Oh, good.
Just so we understand each other, I'm the final word on the ship. The
Sure.
Mardits, the crew, the engineers, their family. I hope there won't be any problems while you're visiting.
No.
Good. Don't go making trouble, and chances are you won't find any. That's how I like it here.
Okay.
So what brings you to Groundbreaker? I'm curious, even though 9 times out of 10 the answer's just passing through. Interesting. The powers that be paint an ugly picture of Monarch. Critters and such. Maybe someone in the promenade can get you the right weapon for the job. We see a lot of the same faces coming and going. Most of them board spies and corporate sprats. Makes it hard to trust outsiders. You seem different, so welcome aboard.
Okay, Junlei. Nice. You seem alright. Seems kind of warm in here.
Groundbreaker's radiators need replacement parts. They're dumping superheated air into my ship.
Kind of difficult to vent it into space, I guess.
Only the board has access to new parts, and I won't let them swindle me into a corner.
Alright. What do you want me to do?
None. Every time I give in to the board, Groundbreaker loses its freedom. Soon there won't be anything left. I can't allow that. The board isn't helping, and my resources are spread thin. If I don't get those radiators back online, Groundbreaker, everyone on board, will be cooked alive.
Doesn't that include people that are members of the board? I don't...
Reasonable, huh? That's the best news I've heard all day. According to my grandmother's old schematics, the parts we need should be in the back bays.
Good, because I've got to go there anyway.
Sorry, I forgot not everyone knows this ship like I do.
Correct.
The back bays are on a lower deck, long abandoned and a haven for miscreants now.
Alright. I'll get you those parts from the back bays.
Good. Once you've obtained the parts, we can proceed to the next phase of repairs.
Good stuff. Space Plumber. That's what I'm all about, Junlei. Plumbing.
This is Halcyon News.
But in
We interrupt your regularly
space.
scheduled advertisement for the following story.
Okay, so we've got to go down to the back bays. I don't know how we get there, though. Lower deck. Where does this go? We've got to see where this goes first. I need to know. I just need... Oh. That's where it goes. Goes down to the back bays. I thought maybe it went up. Maybe there was an observation deck or something, but it's probably a bit too much to hope for, wasn't it?
Who there? Hey, McRed, were you expecting any company?
A neighbor from above approaches our realm.
Shit. God damn. Well, that's not good. Oh, that was great. Nice. Nice. Well, I got myself well and truly backed into a corner here, haven't I? During your adventures, things may happen to your character that can trigger a floor offer. Taking the floor is optional, but doing so provides you with a perk. Hold A to continue. Plasma weakness. Getting burned too many times has made you susceptible to plasma damage. Effects. Plasma damage received plus 25%. Reward. No, I think I'm going to reject that flaw. Thank you. If only I could reject my real life flaws, everything would be much easier. That'll be a whole lot of rejection right there too. Well, guys, it's been nice, but I can't sit around here looting your corpses all day. Breadworm blood, nice. I wonder what, is this all junk that can just be sold? Oh, yikes. I like this electric-y zappity mod thing that I put on. I think that's the technical term. Oh, so. Let's see. I'll take that. I don't think they're going to be too worried that I've nicked it. Right. Captain What's-Her-Face. Let's find his corpse. Be back there, because that's where he was when I shot him. He's there, is that him? No, that's a construction mech. Uh-oh. Did I fry him? Shit, maybe I fried him.
Today's my birthday.
Oh yeah? Fuck your birthday.
All right. I mean, you heard it. They weren't being very nice to each other. It didn't seem like they were going to be very nice to me. Oh look, radiator parts. How about that? No more mag picks. Well, not enough. Ah, there's one. There we go. Oh. Well, Seemed like a good idea at the time. I love creeping around in this place, I've got to be honest. I love massive spacecraft like this. This thing is awesome. You see, the thing is, we've all been super excited for Starfield, haven't we? I mean, you know, I presume that anybody watching this is excited for Starfield, despite Bethesda's recent transgressions, shall we call them. I am. But then again, I was quite enjoying Fallout 76, despite all the nonsense about it, until they went and did the whole private server nonsense. Fallout first. That was a bit of a joke. Oh, he is there. See? I just incinerated him. I didn't notice that. Okay. Montauk. Claim the bounty reward from Commandant Anita. Right, so it's defaulted now to... Oh no, I guess it's there. But can we go and... Yes, we can. So let's go back upstairs. Let's go and talk to Junlei about these parts first. Go and turn in that bounty. Yo, Chief.
You've returned, and in one piece. Color me impressed.
Yeah, you look impressed.
Good work. I'll take those. I need you to head through the large door at the far end of engineering. Take the elevator down into the machinery shaft. There's a terminal in the back. Activate it when I call over the ship's PA. And bring weapons. There's a slight mantipillar infestation.
Great. Define slight.
More than a few. Less than a hive. Nothing you can't handle.
Alright.
We were salvaging parts from a ship. Turned out there were eggs inside. They got into the radiators, and here we are.
Yikes. Alright. Down and down and down we go. Where we stop, nobody knows.
The controls are in the back of the machinery shaft area. Keep clear of the radiators. You don't need to know the master but I'd be my free food.
Oh, yikes. Ah, what is that? What the hell is this? Oh my god. I'm not keen on whatever that is. Jesus. There's one alive somewhere, I can hear it. Oh, yikes. Huh? Wait! Oh, it's up there. Oh, scaring the crap out of me. Stupid goddamn thing. Is it a mantipilla that? Or is it another one of those swarm things? Nope. I gotta go up there and get it. Oh, wait. See, I keep forgetting to use the explodey things. Nice. You see? I just have to remember that sort of thing every now and again. And everything's good. Jesus. Really is hot in here. Sleepless night. Space Plumber.
The security mechanicals booted up and killed a bunch of mantis. Bad news. Diagnostic says their circuit boards are fused from the heat, so they're not too picky about who they kill next.
Oh, good.
Sneak past if you can. Shoot back if you need to. I can always fix them later.
Sneak past. But I feel like that's not going to happen. Shh. Stupid thing. Oi. Tin tits. Ow. Son of a bitch. I always figured I was supposed to be able to shut these things down, but maybe I am and I just don't know how. Nice. Right.
Beginning security.
Ah. Boo. Let's unbar that door for a start. Alright, there we go. Cycle droplet pumps. Got it.
Done. The temperatures are dropping. Stop by once you found your way out of there. Groundbreaker owes you thanks.
Yes, it does, doesn't it? It does owe me thanks.
Halcyon News. We interrupt your
My boards are returning to green. What a weight that is off my shoulders. I don't normally tolerate outsiders mucking about in my station's guts, but you're all right.
I am all right.
The temperature should be dropping as we speak. I'll see to it the crew knows who kept us all from boiling alive.
Excellent, you do
If
that.
you've got time, I believe Edna has a comms issue that could use your attention. I've also authorized Doc and Furu to sell you our premium meds.
Nice. 3,000. Well, does what?
Frustrating. Everything down to the circuit boards is past warranty, so I have the pleasure of making life or death decisions on a shoestring budget.
Well, that sucks.
Plus, there's no time to train my successor or document fixes in a way that anyone outside the family would understand. Sure is. The Tennysons came over on the Groundbreaker. My grandmother, Chief Gang, kept it together during the crossing and until she died. I was promoted only recently, when my mom died.
Oh dear.
Then I took the leap from chief engineer to captain.
Oh dear.
Appreciate it. There wasn't much that took me by surprise about the job, but the little things you never expect or think about, they add up over time. Maybe you can see why I'm protective of Groundbreaker. This ship is family. It's got tinkerings and bypasses that only Tennysons know about. You've got my attention.
Hey, you the one who fixed those radiators?
Yes.
Nice work. You really saved our buns. Whenever you're free, let's have a chat.
Right. Well, I'm not free right now. And I just realized that my so far only companion mentioned a little something about Tennyson. So I should probably go and get her off the ship, but that'll be next time. I think we're done for today. I'm going to turn in this thing at the security office. The lucky lighter, or whatever it is. Uh-huh.
How goes the hunt? I've been ruminating on it, and I decided, if you ain't killed McRed yet, I want you to hurt him a little before you do.
Oh, I heard him
Nothing
plenty.
excessive, mind you, but the scoundrel deserves a light beating at least before he kicks off.
Yeah, there you go.
I believe I'm growing fond of you, bounty hunter. If you got the Mardet's backs, the Mardettes have got yours.
Sure.
Here's the bounty payout. Nice work down there. With any luck,
4,500 XP.
we can hire more sharp-eyed bounty hunters like you in the future.
Sure thing. What was the bounty payout? 1,000 bit. Nice. Alright. Well, anyway, the quarantine on the ship's been lifted. And of course, I came here without Kaylee. And I think she wanted to talk to Junlei, but
Have either of the assault
we're going to go back aboard our beautiful spacecraft there. Anyway, that's been, once again, way longer than I expected it to be. So the next time we see one another, we're going to go poking around. We're going to go do some of these that are going to take us off-world. Oh, that's the fingers thing. We've already been there. So we're going to now and there. Solution vital. Find Captain Irion on Scylla. Okay. And the distress signal. Take me to Roseway. So, you know, we're going to do some of those the next time we see one another. You can follow me on Twitter at @knights_arcade if you want to see or read, I guess, what I'm up to in the meantime. If you're not interested in Twitter, of course, you know, it's not compulsory. I'm not going to, like, hold a gun to your head or anything. So, you know. But anyway, leave a like if you like this video, or any of my other videos, in fact. But if you like my other videos, leave a like on those ones, and not this one. As you can hear, I'm starting to ramble on a little bit more than normal. So anyway, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and ring the notification bell. You should get a notification every time I post new content. But until next time, from Knights Arcade, this is Sleepless Night saying nighty-night.